Yeah, luck. I don't need luck. Okay, yes, I need quite a bit of it. All right, let's fight some robots. No, not the Illuminati. We've already fought so many zombies. The Terminators are taking over. Evidence proves beyond doubt the automations intend to co-opt the stolen star of peace plans. Ooh. The objective is the full liberation of Cyberstan from the Automation Legion in order to deny the inevitable development of Social's Mundicide capabilities. Enough of reading your fancy words. I'm only here to pull a trigger. Yeah, HD2 tends to give GPU, CPU intensive. Oh yeah, don't I know it. When I first started playing this game, it was doing all right, but then it infiltrated. And I think it's the automations. They've gotten to my computer and hacked me somehow. Deploy deep behind enemy lines. Certain missions will have you severely limited. Holy crap.
A few moments later.
Oh, whoa, that's bright. It looks like a giant box of cigarettes every time I look at it. Ooh, sampler. Beautiful. I should shut off my light. They're gonna see me. Oh no, we're surrounded by the enemy. Let's try to sneak by.
Ninja vanish!
Oh, controls, don't fail me now.
I found something.
No, you didn't.
Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
Oh, am I dying? What is this? Acid storm and oh. There's an acid storm? Oh, get off me. Ow. Oh, my ankle. What does the acid storm do to you? I don't understand. Threw me on this world and I don't know anything. Take this. Oh. Think smarter, not harder. Oh, I hear him. Whoa! What the frig? Ow! Oh, he shot me in the face. Well, that lasted long. That was just a trial run. Don't worry about it.
History will remember your deeds this day.
That's right. Gotta approach cautiously. Can't die like last time. Gotta lock in. World's counting on it. What the frig? You may have a supercomputing brain that can aim true, but will never beat the mind of a human being. Our ability to adapt outdoes your ability to think. Oh. What the frig? What's going on? It's breakdancing for us. That reminds me of like Guardians of the Galaxy. Alright, this is the dance off.
Someday, put it together.
What are you doing?
Dance off, bro. Me and you.
Dancing for the fate of the world. Okay. You must be ninjas. Surprise. Huh? Holy cow. I'm the one surprised. Do these guys have weaknesses? I need some sort of like electricity attack or something. If I've learned anything from Final Fantasy, machines are weak to electricity. What the frig? Whoa! Oh my gosh, he's after me! I'm surrounded! They're pressuring me! Ooh. Oh Lord. That's too tanky. I'll go with the ultimate tactic of ring around the rosy. It's never failed me. I'm out of ammo. Oh my gosh! Surrounded, man. They're still shooting my dead body. That's how much of a threat they think I am. Alright, let's do the black box again. That one seems like it's pretty doable, I say, not knowing if it actually is or not. Superstore withdrawals. What? What does this mean? Let's get reinforcements. Oh, I'm feeling parched. Raw. Ow, my ankle. Gotta stop doing that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's get this black box. Oh, it's after me. Find some cover. Oh, I don't want to do that. Keep running. Is this where the black box is? Oh my gosh! Whoa! Run! This guy's a monster. Maybe the bushes will save my life. It's my only shot at survival.
Setting out an asshole!